thanks to Caribel, thanks to Montano's Chocolate, thanks to Instamarket and Adam's Sauces. It is now time to bring forth Chef Cheryl and show Charles and see what she presented.
Let me get the microphone ready for Cheryl.
Yeah.
Cheryl!
Nice.
And of course, I get the first plate.
Alright.
Talk to me in terms of what you presented.
Wow, that's lovely.
So I made a chocolate barbecue sauce where they use any mashed Montano chocolate.
Right.
The cocoa nibs. I use the cocoa nibs to brew a little coffee. And I also use the cocoa powder in it as well. I also added for a little, heat. It doesn't have much heat because the chocolate is so pronounceable.
Yeah.
I use the Caribelli rum.
Oh, this one, the same one. You see, fellas?
Yes.
Right.
Because always drinking all the rum now.
So you get rum inspired.
Oh.
You get rum inspired.
More rum.
Go try that.
But not to drink it.
All right, nice.
Right? The Adams, I used on the potato. So I roasted a butter roasted potato and I used the honey mustard and glazed the potato with honey mustard on it. Also the coleslaw, which let's go to the market items first.
Right.
Instamarket TT.
Instamarket TT. We made a little slow because you need a little crunch.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Right?
Of course.
So I used the carrots, as you said, I used almost the whole basket.
I realize the whole thing looking wrong fluffy.
It was a real
Well, I'm
choice.
glad you went.
Real
Yes.
choices.
Yes.
Right? And I made it with the Adams garlic sauce. So everything else was used and fused together. So let's taste and see how it's
Wow.
Rendell, we don't stick in, or
You're hungry.
just talking.
We have to find out what's going on. All right, so fellas,
Boy.
let's go straight in. Bon
Chef,
appetit.
thank you very much.
Yes,
Chef
sir.
Cheryl, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Let's go straight in. Wow, hold on. What would you suggest I dive into first?
Dive into you want to taste the main ingredients. So because I use the mashed Montano chocolate as the main ingredient on top.
Yeah.
So you want to taste that first. So I will suggest taste the barbecue sauce by itself first. And
Itself.
then
Okay.
add everything else into it. So everything married together.
I must say the presentation is amazing.
Thank you.
Chocolate barbecue sauce.
Yes.
I mean, you
This
hit
is
that.
so much better
Wow.
than the last segment.
Wow.
Chocolate barbecue sauce, Chef.
Yes. And the chocolate is semi-sweet, so it lends itself to the barbecue sauce. Gives that sweetness.
And let me just say, this looks like $1,000 plate. This looks amazing.
Yeah, but we can't afford that. We can't afford that.
Oh, all right.
Don't give an idea.
No, oh God, Lord. No, that's what it looking
the
like.
combination of the chocolate with the chicken.
Oh my God.
That earth flavor.
What?
It is fantastic today.
Oh my God. Wow.
Yeah.
What?
Joe, talk to me.
Wow.
What you say?
So, Chef, the strength of there's such a wonderful balance on the plate because I think the barbecue sauce, the Montano's chocolate barbecue sauce, is so strong and so spicy. But then, of course, all the ingredients he used to make the slow from Instamarket kind of just balances it off so nicely. It's beautiful.
my
It's
God.
a beautiful plate.
Fellas, this potato.
Wow.
Potato.
Wow.
Oh. Rendell, what say you, my brother?
Wow. I lost for words. I have no idea. I can't even understand what I'm eating. Like I feel like I'm tipping some kind of food or some kind of thing.
No. It paid for.
Everything.
You do this in 20 minutes?
Yes.
This is I blown away. Like the everything works so well together. The contrast as you said, and it's like it not even feeling like individual items. It feeling like one meal. Everything works so well together. The crunch, all the textures. Wow, I did not know you were so talented.
You didn't?
I didn't
No.
know. I didn't know.
Best chef in the country.
Yeah. I get through, right?
You get through.
Okay.
Because it's short. Listen, don't mean that the meal is short.
No.
The meal is packing a punch.
Wow.
Packing a punch. Cheryl, this is amazing stuff here. And congratulations to you. I have to say that. Yeah? Thank you so much.